Hi guys, Chox here, and welcome back to my channel to this April 7th, 2020, a great big huge pink full moon, super moon. Oh, it's been crazy. It's been a little bit hectic going on. The world is in chaos right now, so I thought I would take a moment and just share something absolutely beautiful with you. I know we all love to share the moon on this channel. It is so much fun. And, where's my cheat sheets here? Oh yeah, some exciting news. Next week on the 16th, let's get a zoom in here. Now, that was fast. Next week on the 16th, we've got Jupiter and Venus that are going to come up against the moon, and they're going to make a little smiley face. And I know they say don't believe everything you see on the internet. However, I saw it on a reputable site. I get all my great moon information from timeanddate.com, so that is a very good start. I think it's Earth Sky I checked on, as well as a couple of other different sites. Oh, it looks so great! Look at this, you guys. So we've got most of the snow is away. We've got this beautiful spring moon happening. Quite honestly, up around us here, we have these light bursts that are coming from the moon. I don't even know how to explain it. It's not like northern lights. It's just like light streams, kind of. You know, like sunbeams, but moonbeams. Really quite pretty and spectacular in all its glory. So it's a full pink moon, and it's called a pink moon because of the little phlox flowers that grow early in the spring in certain areas, in mossy areas. And they come up and they're nice and bright and they're pink and they're pretty and they look lovely. Our first full moon in spring. And remember, we're still young on this decade. Oh, and there's some geese. So once again, she is looking spectacular up there tonight, you guys. I hope you have a chance. Woo! I hope you have a chance to get outside and see the moon. We actually had rain earlier, so we're so lucky that it's visible now. Beautiful aura, halo around. There's also some lights coming off it, up and down and side to side. It's really quite spectacular to see. Let me know if you can see those in the video, if it's just what I can see with my naked eyes. Alright, you guys, here we go. Happy full moon. Thank you so much for joining me on the channel. The geese are interrupting. And I'm definitely going to try to get out here and get a video of, what did I say it was? Jupiter and Venus. So when the moon is crescent next week, Jupiter and Venus will look like the eyeballs of this little smiley face, and it's all going to line up for the first time in a long time and for the last time in a long time. So hopefully we will be able to have a clear sky and get out and have a look at that. Alright, you guys, thanks for hanging out here with me on the channel. Please click one of these boxes hanging out around this beautiful moon. It'll take you to the Moon and Space playlist and YouTube recommended videos. Alright, you guys, thanks for joining me here. Haha! Enjoy space watching. And I'll see you guys next time on the channel. Bye! Alright, just above my neighbor's house here, you see that bright light? That is either Saturn or Jupiter that we are going to see. Haha! That we are going to see closer next week. How cool is that, guys? How cool is that? Yeah, alright, happy planet watching. That might be Jupiter. I don't know. I saw it, had to catch it before it went away. Ah, sorry.